Hello Renegade Heroes, here we are with Mission 4. Hopefully you'll be able to follow my YouTube video with some advice on today's lesson. You know your Bitly, your website calendar, and it's got two links, the lesson link and also at the end your email and your class notebook to upload your work. You must upload the work at the end of every lesson. Okay, I'll quickly show you what happens. Today's lesson, Photofit, click on it. Brings you to today's lesson. I've tried to put steps 1 to 5 in there. That's what you need to be doing. 50 minutes on a Renegade Hero mission, and do what you can, but at the end you must upload your work, class notebooks. So it tells you the objectives there. Okay, but if you go from 1 to 5, that's what you're doing. Starter there, have a go at. The lesson instructions video, which you should be watching now. That is this video. Another video there, how to upload. A big flashing arrow, because people can't find the Renegade Hero website. When that hand comes up, it's a link to the Renegade Hero website. Also there, Mission 4 takes you to it. When you go to it, oh, this is what it looks like. We're on Mission 4. You're going to click on Photofit. You can listen to the instructions if you wish. People like to listen or read them. They're the mission instructions for CPHS students. All students, really. You're making a photo fit using pictures and images on Microsoft Word or any digital document. This lesson is based around Word, but you can use any document you like as long as you can do today's lesson moving images and present them in a form that is really recognizable, a photo fit. What is a photo fit? It's what the police use. It's what people use to put pictures together from a description. There's even the best one of the lot, number 5, examples. Okay, if you click on that, it's just the next slide on the next lesson website with some extra help. Examples. Okay, a secret folder I'll show you in a second. We're going to use pictures in the secret folder to make a good example. Is this one, to make a picture. They're all put together there in something that you can recognize from the description. There's the description underneath that was given in the mission text. There's a bad one. Obviously you can see why it's bad. Quickly go on to showing how to do it. Okay, remember this main lesson is from number 5. Sorry, the main lesson examples, and it's the next slide. Look at the examples. Go to then the Mission 4. The instructions are on here. You need to read it. You also need to remember the images are in the top secret folder. I'll say that twice. The images are in the top secret folder, because click on that, this opens. That's easy. We can see little bits of images there that we need to make faces. And guess what? There's 2 faces. Do not use the image on the left. That's too little. Okay? The image on the right. It then changes it over on the right to a bigger image. Let's go, and they're all different sizes. When the image is there, you need to go through all of them. For each image, right hand click. Copy the image. However, you can do that on your PC. If it's Apple, Mac or iPad, you'll have to figure out how to do a copy of an image. You then go to Microsoft Word, a new document. As you can see, I've already got a couple in there. You then paste the image. Oh, right hand click, paste. Okay, paste after you've got the image. The last thing, and really the most important thing, you cannot move the image. Like, try and move it now, it won't move. Okay, it won't move the image until you change the formatting. If you're off the image, oh, you need to see that bridge. It looks like a bridge. It's a picture with text around it. Those lines mean text. If I click away from the picture, there's no bridge there. To get that option, to use the layout options, click on a picture and it brings it up for that picture. This picture, I can't move it. I need to be able to move it. So click on that and you're going to do layout. So if you're using a different version of Word or Google Docs or anything, find out how to move the picture. Maybe use YouTube. Click on the one that lets you put the picture in the middle of the text. Go back to the picture and you can move it around. Okay, as you can see, I can move the other pictures. You've got to move it around to make like a photo fit. As you can see, this one, oh, it doesn't look the right size. It's too small. That doesn't look the right size at all. I'm going to leave you to figure out some of these and not show you everything. You're going to put 2 pictures together in Microsoft Word. There's the pictures there, or whichever document you like. When you've finished, okay, back to the main lesson, it tells you to upload them to class notebook. You can then have a go at the plenary, an online photo fit, have a play on that. So the lesson is straightforward. It's testing your skills on Word and layout, how to use text as well on a document. You've got text there, that the description of the criminal or the hero or the renegade, that needs to go on your document as well for top marks. Okay, any problems, please email me, but please try. Use all the links I've given you on the lesson. There's lots there to help you, and you will be able to do something. Remember, do not give up. As General Jake Jones says, do not give up. Keep trying. Okay, good luck. Have fun working at home. I will catch you soon. Bye-bye.